The year 2025 hums with anticipation. Gamers everywhere feel it. The air is thick with excitement, and the buzz is almost palpable. New console iterations or perhaps entirely new platforms are on the horizon. The industry is gearing up for a seismic shift, with whispers of groundbreaking innovation spreading like wildfire. The marketing machines are already warming up, promising dazzling graphics and revolutionary gameplay. Advertisements tease us with glimpses of what's to come, building up the hype to a fever pitch. But the true story of next-generation performance often lies hidden. It's not just about what we see on the surface. It's found deep within the silicon and lines of code. The real magic happens in the intricate details, the unseen elements that make everything possible. These are the advancements not plastered on billboards. They are the quiet revolutions that drive the industry forward. They are the subtle yet powerful changes that will redefine interactive entertainment. These innovations are the foundation of the next era of gaming. We are on the cusp of experiences previously confined to our imaginations. Virtual reality, augmented reality, and other immersive technologies are becoming more sophisticated and accessible. Beyond the headline specifications, a quiet revolution is brewing. Engineers and developers are working tirelessly, often behind the scenes, to bring these dreams to life. Engineers and developers are pushing boundaries in ways the average consumer might not immediately recognize. Their work is the backbone of the next-gen experience. Think about the intricate dance between hardware and software. This relationship is becoming more seamless and sophisticated. This synergy is becoming more crucial than ever. The integration of hardware and software is what will enable the next level of gaming experiences. It's not just about more processing power, though that is part of it. It's about smarter power. Efficiency and innovation are key. It's about efficiency and a holistic approach to system design. Every component, every line of code is meticulously crafted to work in harmony. These unseen elements are the bedrock upon which the next wave of immersive gaming will be built. They are the unsung heroes of the gaming world. The future of play is being forged in these less visible yet critically important arenas of technology. The next generation of gaming is not just about what we play, but how we play it. For years, teraflops dominated the console power narrative. It was a simple number. Bigger meant better. The more teraflops a console had, the more powerful it was perceived to be. But in 2025, the conversation is shifting. While raw computational power remains important, the real game changers are more nuanced. Custom input-output controllers are a prime example. These specialized pieces of hardware are designed to manage data flow with unprecedented speed. Think of them as hyper-efficient traffic managers for game assets. They ensure that the massive amounts of data needed for detailed worlds are delivered to the processor and graphics card almost instantaneously, slashing loading times. Another critical area is memory technology. We are seeing consoles adopt newer, faster types of RAM, perhaps even custom variants of GDDR7. This isn't just about capacity, it's about bandwidth and latency. Faster memory allows the CPU and GPU to access the data they need without delay. This reduces bottlenecks significantly. The result is smoother gameplay, especially in open-world games with vast environments. The era of brute force is evolving into an era of smart, targeted hardware acceleration. This means that instead of just piling on more power, developers and engineers are finding innovative ways to make the hardware work more efficiently. This shift is not just about making games look better, but also about enhancing the overall gaming experience. Faster load times, smoother frame rates, and more responsive controls are just a few of the benefits. As we move forward, the focus will continue to be on creating hardware that not only meets the demands of today's games, but also anticipates the needs of tomorrow's innovations. The future of gaming hardware is bright, and the possibilities are endless. With each new advancement, we get one step closer to a seamless, immersive gaming experience that was once only a dream. At the core of any console are its central processing unit and graphics processing unit. These components are the brains and the brawn, driving the performance and visual fidelity of modern gaming experiences. In 2025, these silicon hearts are beating faster and smarter than ever before. The advancements in technology have led to significant leaps in both processing power and efficiency. New CPU architectures are moving beyond simply adding more cores. They are incorporating innovative designs that enhance performance through smarter resource management and parallel processing. While core counts are still increasing, offering say 8 to 12 high-performance cores, the real game changer is how these cores interact and share workloads. The focus is also on instructions per clock improvements. This means that each core can execute more instructions in the same clock cycle, significantly boosting overall performance. This means each core can do more work in the same amount of time, making the system more efficient and responsive. New instruction sets, specifically designed for gaming workloads like physics and AI, are also being integrated. These sets allow for more complex and realistic game mechanics. On the graphics front, next-generation GPUs are pushing visual boundaries. They are designed to handle more detailed textures, higher resolutions, and faster frame rates. Ray tracing, once a demanding luxury, is becoming more refined and efficient. This technology simulates the way light interacts with objects, creating more realistic scenes. We are seeing second or even third-generation hardware-accelerated ray tracing cores. These advancements make real-time ray tracing more accessible to developers and gamers alike. These cores handle the complex calculations of light physics with greater speed, allowing for more dynamic and immersive environments. This results in more realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections, enhancing the overall visual experience. Efficiency is a key theme in these new architectures. Developers are focusing on maximizing performance while minimizing power consumption. It's not just about raw power, it's about power per watt. This means getting the most performance out of every watt of energy consumed. Console manufacturers are acutely aware of thermal constraints and energy consumption. They are implementing advanced cooling solutions and power management techniques to ensure optimal performance without overheating. Hardware is only half the equation. The unseen advancements in software are equally critical for unlocking console performance in 2025. Console operating systems are becoming leaner and more efficient. Manufacturers are stripping away unnecessary overhead. They are optimizing system processes to reserve more resources for games. This means more CPU cycles, more memory, and faster storage access are dedicated directly to the gaming experience. New and updated graphics application programming interfaces play a vital role. APIs like DirectX, Vulkan, or proprietary console APIs are the bridge between game software and the hardware. In 2025, these APIs feature new extensions and capabilities designed to harness the latest hardware features. Advanced developer toolkits are another crucial software innovation. Console makers are providing studios with more sophisticated tools for profiling, debugging, and optimizing their games. The synergy between console OS, APIs, developer tools, and game engines creates a powerful ecosystem for performance optimization. Section 5: AI's Ascendance, Intelligent Upscaling, and Beyond. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword in gaming, it's a fundamental performance enabler in the year 2025. One of its most visible applications is intelligent upscaling. Techniques like NVIDIA's DLSS, AMD's FSR, and Intel's XSS have matured significantly. Consoles are now equipped with dedicated AI hardware or leverage powerful GPU compute capabilities to run next-generation versions of these algorithms. These AI upscalers can reconstruct a high-resolution image from a lower-resolution render with astonishing clarity. This allows games to run at higher frame rates internally, then be upscaled to 4K or even 8K, delivering both fluidity and sharpness. AI's role extends far beyond just making pixels look prettier. It's increasingly used in procedural content generation, or PCG. AI tools can assist developers in creating vast and varied game worlds. This is a subtle but powerful way AI is boosting what's possible within development budgets and timelines. Section 6: The Gamer's Gauntlet: Tangible Benefits of Hidden Tech. All these hidden technological advancements ultimately translate into tangible benefits for gamers. The most immediate impact will be on speed and responsiveness. Thanks to custom I/O, faster SSDs, and optimized software, loading times are becoming a relic of the past. Imagine booting up a massive open-world game and jumping into the action in mere seconds. Fast travel within these worlds could become truly instantaneous. This seamlessness extends to gameplay itself, with reduced input lag making controls feel incredibly crisp and direct. Graphics will see a significant leap. The combination of more powerful GPUs, advanced APIs, and AI upscaling will deliver visuals that blur the line with reality. Game worlds themselves will become more dynamic and interactive. The increased CPU power and specialized accelerators allow for more complex physics simulations. Section 7: Bridging Worlds: Cloud Integration and Seamless Play. The power of 2025 consoles isn't confined to the box under your television. Cloud integration is playing an increasingly important yet often unseen role in enhancing the gaming experience. This isn't solely about full game streaming, though that option continues to mature. Instead, we're seeing more hybrid models where the local console's power is augmented by cloud processing. For instance, certain non-critical graphical effects like complex atmospheric simulations or rendering distant, highly detailed scenery could be offloaded to cloud servers. This frees up local resources for more immediate, latency-sensitive tasks. Beyond graphics, the cloud can assist with computationally intensive tasks that don't require millisecond responses. By offloading these tasks, developers can create richer, more dynamic game worlds without overburdening the console's CPU. This cloud assist happens seamlessly in the background. Section 8: The Price of Progress: Navigating New Challenges. While the advancements in 2025 console performance are exciting, they don't come without challenges. One significant hurdle is the increasing cost and complexity of game development. Creating assets and experiences that fully leverage these powerful new systems requires larger teams, more specialized skills, and longer development cycles. Studios, especially smaller independent ones, may struggle to keep pace. The cost of the consoles themselves is another concern. Cutting-edge components like advanced CPUs, GPUs, and high-speed memory are expensive. Manufacturers face a delicate balancing act, delivering a significant performance leap while keeping the hardware affordable for a mass audience. Component shortages, as seen in previous generations, can also impact availability and drive up prices. With great power comes great heat and energy consumption. More powerful processors generate more heat, requiring sophisticated cooling solutions within the compact console chassis. Section 9. A new dawn for play. The future is brighter than ever. Despite the challenges, the trajectory of console gaming in 2025 points towards an incredibly exciting future. The unseen advancements in hardware and software are not just incremental improvements, they are foundational shifts. These shifts are unlocking new paradigms of play. The focus on intelligent design, efficient power, and seamless integration is creating a potent combination. This allows developers to craft worlds that are not only visually breathtaking but also deeply interactive and emotionally resonant. The quiet revolution happening beneath the glossy exterior of these machines is truly transformative. The implications for gamers are profound. We are moving beyond simply chasing higher resolutions and frame rates. We are entering an era of truly immersive experiences where the barriers between the player and the game world continue to dissolve. Instantaneous loading, hyper-realistic environments, intelligent characters, and seamlessly connected experiences are becoming the new standard. The best is truly yet to come, powered by the silent, steady march of innovation.